Hello and welcome to Fix64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I'm looking at a very fun, vibrant, and great sounding portable Bluetooth speaker. It's the W-King T8 II. W-King sent me one in the graffiti color or decoration. There are three styles. One is painted like one's black, and then you have the graffiti style like this. I will unbox the T8 II, and then we will test it out with some royalty-free tunes. Okay, let's unveil. Okay, very cool. Very high quality feeling too. I'm impressed with that. Nice. Even ports on the back. You got the USB, an auxiliary, a reset hole, a charging port, and it'll charge your phone, and Bluetooth. Very nice. And let's see what is in the box. USB-C cable, auxiliary, 3.5mm, and a user manual. Okay, now let's go over some of the specs so you know what this beauty is packing. It has 4 speaker drivers, 2 of which are 3-inch woofers, and 2 of them are 1-inch tweeters. 30-watt fast charging. It has a built-in 2550 milliamp hour battery. It has a TF card support, phone charging capabilities, EQ mode adjustment, Bluetooth 5.4, a 3.5mm auxiliary jack, and USB playback. The support for 30-watt fast charging via USB Type-C doubles as emergency equipment to charge your device on the go as well. So never let your music or phone run out during outdoor adventures. The playtime is up to 24 hours and charge time is only 2 hours. It is also IPX7 water and dust resistant. It also has TWS pairing, so you can pair 2 speakers at once for true cinematic like surround sound. You can listen freely nonstop. The W-King T8 II keeps the music going for street dances, backyard barbecues, spontaneous parties, turning any space into a stage, and it has a total of a 96-watt output. The lightweight design with a comfortable carry handle makes transport effortless, while non-slip foot pads keep it steady on any surface. It has a built-in indicator lights to show real-time device status, so you always know your power and connection at a glance. Here's the status lights. Okay, let's take it over to the test desk and hook it up to various sources and try it out. Awesome. Looks like it needs a little bit of a charge, so I'll get it all charged up. We'll go from there. Okay, first of all, I'm going to try USB hookup with my Android phone to the back, and I'll play some no copyright sounds off of YouTube. I want to try the USB-C hookup and see if that works. Well, that seemed to be charging my phone. I don't know if you can use USB-C for music or not. I will set up Bluetooth next. Okay, that sounded really good. I hope that this microphone can pick up at least some of it so you know what it sounds like. Okay, I went through it and it did sound pretty good. So we will go to another song and try it.
Or was it just a dream? Are you good for me? Way too good to be everything I need. Are you good for me? Oh, would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be baby, would you be there? Are you really mine, or was it just a dream? Are you good for me? Way too good to be everything I need. Are you good for me? Oh, would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there? Baby, would you be there? Don't you be calling if you can be mine. I don't wanna break my own heart.
Wow, that really sounded good. I'm very impressed with this thing. Now, so far, this has all been Bluetooth. I don't have a way to try the auxiliary except for maybe on a computer. Yeah, we could try it that way. But yeah, this is awesome. Let's try some bass now, or more of a bassy song anyway. Okay, that was Bluetooth. Okay, I looked at the instructions a little. There is an M button on the top. There's a plus and minus for volume. There's an M button for mode. So I need to change it to the USB mode, and I share that stripe in the front, the indicator light, will tell me when I hit it. And there's a pause and play button as well. Okay, I hooked up the 3.5-inch audio jack from my computer to the machine, and the front is glowing green, so I think that's working. I'm thinking USB-C doesn't deliver music, because I can't get it to work whatever I do. So I'm thinking just the USB-A port, but it does charge your phone, which is cool. Okay, let's go ahead and give the computer a try. Okay, as you could see, that worked very well. You can actually use this speaker as your computer speaker too. Very cool. Now I'm going to test a USB cable from the computer to the speaker. Well, I am not going to be able to test that. I don't have any USB-A to USB-A cables, if you can believe it. Well, I do, but I've never unpacked fully and organized my stuff yet, so my bad. But I'm sure it works just like the auxiliary did. You plug it in, front goes solid, probably a different color, and then you play through that. So I did have C to A, and so I can't get those to work. It won't show up in the sound settings or anything. So I'm thinking A to A. But anyway, the other stuff worked really awesome, and it really good sound. I love this speaker. I'd like to thank W King for sending me the T82 portable speaker. What an awesome sounding speaker. Very nice connection options and a stylish look. Make it a great option for parties, camping, camping, tailgates, backyard barbecues, pop-up parties, you name it. I'd also like to thank my viewers and subscribers, and if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. Also, I will be uploading exclusive member-only videos soon. For just $1 a month, you can have access to those. So if you want to know when my next video is out, please hit the bell button. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.